living on that high life, trying to get my mind right. Now I'm doing big things, I be feeling it tonight. Now I'm like, whoa, whoa, all up on the floor like, whoa, whoa. I'm living life right now. Life is a cigarette, boy, I need a drag. Show 'em I'm a champ when the beat bring it back. Trying to have a good time, little money on the side. Fill the cups up, got the party going wild right now. Show 'em I'm a beast, drop it on the beat. I could kill it in my sleep, making the moves and I be on it. Everybody moving and party jumping, now they going wild until the morning. Now we going now, trying to get it go, trying to live life, and I made it on my own. Now I'm in the zone, living on the road, trying to live. You really never gonna know how I be on the floor. Yeah, I never gonna know. I'm living life right now. I be living on that high life, trying to get my mind right. Now I'm doing big things, I be feeling it tonight. Now I'm like, whoa, all up on the floor like, whoa. I'm living life right now. High life, good life, feel great. I've been living right now, and I'm all up in my zone, trying to get that feeling going like, whoa. And the feeling got me on that. And the feeling got me on that. They going wild when they see me in my show. I got that crowd yelling like, oh. You really never gonna know how I be on the floor. Yeah, I never gonna know. I'm living life right now. I be living on that high life, trying to get my mind right. Now I'm doing big things, I be feeling it tonight. Now I'm like, whoa, all up on the floor like, whoa. I'm living life right now. I'm living life right now. I'm living life right now. Life right now. Life right now. Living life right now. I'm living life right now. Eh. Swear that this my year. I've been saying that for a minute. I'm like Kanye in this bitch. Now they forced to pay me attention. I've been busy working, ain't time for parties. This one man take out the team like, oh no. I don't fuck with y'all, who the fuck is he though? Killing this shit for the hell of it. All of your shit is irrelevant, no. I don't be fucking with you because nothing you saying remotely intelligent. You are not cool, you are not real. All this shit that you talking is garbage. When I break through and say what's good, every one of y'all is my target, oh. Yo, all these motherfuckers don't know shit. Put them in the room, hit them all with a diss. I've been on the clock, what the fuck y'all miss? And I really don't care who the fuck y'all is. All I hate is second is I fuck your bitch. But how you do that when you got no dick? Talking all G when you look like Prince. Go ahead, get pissed, I'ma burn this bridge like whoa. They wanna label me, but they ain't paying me. What the fuck do I care? Chill. Better be careful with how you be talking, cause soon I be everywhere. This shit is easy, the rap kinda fast and be saying whatever. My pain is taking the money, retiring. Now my name living forever. Bitch! Hell. Selfish, lost in my ways. Mine is too stuck to change. Starts to live in my brain, and the roots of all of my pain. Think I'm close to insane, like oh, I don't know what normal is. The void inside me like a dark abyss. The moment hits when I'm alone again, and I pray for the time that my mood will switch. Goddamn. Fuck. Go. My mood's changed by the second. Appreciate the moment when you feel good, get it? Ain't been done yet, be the one to invent it. Take off the mask and understand heaven. Life is where the present belongs.